We now have the V8 Beast, and we can take a look at it. And this is your engine page. So as you can see, you will get a big image here, and you will get thumbnails in the bottom here. Right now, there's only one, and then you can select multiple as soon as you have more pictures and show them big. There's also a view counter here, so you can check how many times it has been viewed, and a rating, and which is fun because if I actually do that, I just rated myself 5 stars. But this is not possible with your company, but this will not be possible with your engines and cars later on too, but we just wanted to implement it so it's on this page as well. Yeah, the year, the type of engine, and additional info, and then down here should be the statistics of the engine. Um, let's see, so let's quickly go back with one of these buttons. We can go back to the engine showroom, or again a view of all this, which is also sortable, or we can look for Beast, for example, and then the search thing will work. I hope. Nah, well, it should work. Maybe it's just an issue with the database at this point. Let me quickly refresh it. So go back to the company profile, and oh, it says there's no such company existed. Let's see, what's that? Oh wait, there it
On
is
the
again.
stream, it's just showing black
It is?
and the overlay. Yeah.
Oh, oh, wait, that's not right.
I guess OBS is a bit strange when it comes to recording browsers.
Yeah, that's weird. It should just be capturing.
Well, it
It
was
did
working
work
before.
all the time.
Yeah. I don't know. It's just showing the overlay.
Let me quickly try and re-add that stuff. No, it's um. This is there it is again. I don't know. I just re-added it and somehow it worked. All right. Yeah, so you might, if you already have a company, you might get a small error that the company doesn't exist, and then go back to your company through the company catalog and click again, and you will re-get your medal. That's because we just had to fix the issue where you couldn't see the owner, and it should be fixed right now. Um, let's see. So then there's the automation hub. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna quickly get my badge here. So let's see. Where is it? It should be right there. Yeah, there it is. Let's see. It's taking a bit long. I know. Sorry for that. And there we go. We have now uploaded the company badge. Let's see. Yeah, so we have the history here, and we can now see that this is added. The engine is right there. We can now click it in the showroom and then directly go to the page, and we can go back to the company profile. At the right top, you can then also select delete engine or edit engine, so you can fix that. Let's quickly go back to the company catalog. We now have Global Max Incorporated in Germany in 1900. Let's see who that is. Oh, what?
Simon wants an AutoHub GLX. Oh, we have 4 companies now.
Yeah, I noticed, but I'm just checking around because everything seems to link right, except the global max one. That seems to go to Miami cars.
Ah. Ah, the wonderful first versions of a website.
Yeah, well, it's a bit buggy here and there, of course. We have tested it 3 times with a group of 8 people, and this never occurred. And then as soon as you launch, you still see things happening
Maybe
like,
try F5 and then
yeah,
click on it.
already. Well, I should redo that maybe, but yeah. No, it still seems to link. No clue. Um, so I don't know who this
Let me
person
try.
is, but we will try to fix your issue as soon as possible. Don't worry. It's the wonderful, as Aaron said, the wonderful first version of a website. We did some extensive testing. We had like a really, really big bug list, and um, yeah, so basically we try to fix everything accordingly, but sometimes you just end up with this kind of stuff. But nevertheless,
Yeah, they both link to the same place when when you hover over it. So it comes
yeah,
up with ID 7 for both things. If I press ID 8, it goes to me, and and I got the push to start medal again. Huh. I don't know. Oh, so
yeah,
now my company what? My company ID is Oh, my company ID is ID 8 anyway.
yep.
Right, okay.
I'm number 9. So who then?
Why is Simon not on the Skype call? We
I
should
don't
add him.
know.
We should add him if he's available. He just asked why he's not in the Skype call.
Yeah, definitely.
Where is Mr. Simon?
I think it automatically goes to because it doesn't have an ID. Um, yeah, are you gonna add him? Yeah, there
Yeah,
he
I just
is.
did.
Cool. Let's see. So, let's go ahead and I'm gonna check out Aaron's company right now. Cut him out of group.
I'm still in
And
the middle of adding my first engine.
right. Anyway, you have a real nice history there, and you're gonna get a five-star reward for that.
Yay! Thank you.
Let's see.
It
So
was just
we
it was just copied and pasted from my um, forum post, which I haven't
so
been on in ages.
Yeah, so we now have Mr. Global Max working. I see he has a German history, so that's funny. If you do not have any German knowledge of the language knowledge, or how is that even a word? Anyway, so
Oh,
hello Simon.
hello. I had
Welcome.
to. You were calling me, and I noticed I had Skype running on my laptop still. I had to fix that first. But good
All
morning,
right.
everyone.
Good morning.
Simon is among us.
Yes.
This moment in history, I'm very glad to be a witness.
Hmm.
All right. Yeah, so this is fun. Uh, we actually have a German here, and I'm talking about Simon, but also about the German company there. So this is nice.
All
Uh,
these Germans everywhere.
yeah,
Scary.
they're taking over the world.
Oh, again? Not again, man.
Anyway, so yeah, right now it automatically gets sorted to the highest rating first, and then let's see. I should have this working. Let's quickly check. So Aaron gets a.
Just to let you know, I think, broke the record for the most amount of viewers. We just went to 18 and then back to 17.
Really?
Yeah, this I expected everyone was going to be on the website and not actually looking at the stream. We also have Daffy Flyer here.
Daffy!
What time is it in Australia? What?
I think he's
Why are
12
you up
hours
at
ahead
this
of us, so it
unholy
must be
hour?
midnight. We sh
Daffy, you need to
Oh,
go to sleep.
no, Daffy actually should have been here. He deserves to be there for all the hard work.
Yeah. Well, damn. I mean, fair play. Staying up, what, 11:19 p.m. will it be in Australia? I'm not sure. Oh, well, are they 12 hours ahead of you? Or
Oh,
12
come
hours ahead
on.
of me?
Midnight is nothing. he probably stays up till 3,
Yeah.
fixing things.
The guy's a
Right?
true legend. He
wonderful
needs
art
he
of.
only needs 2 or 3 hours sleep a night.
Dean.
I just realised I can't chat because I'm not even logged in. Oh, 10:19 it is for Daffy. Okay,
All right,
So,
so
Mr.
that's a bit more
Webmaster,
reasonable.
all right, yeah.
I have a question, Mr. Webmaster. Is that correct that people that participated in the beta have to make a new account
Yes,
for the?
because we
Yeah.
had to clear the database before migrating, since we did some bug fixing and we had to clear those accounts because they weren't working really well after we fixed the bugs. It's the same like
Oh,
automation. When you get a new version, yeah, your old engines or cars don't work anymore. Not all of the time, but basically so now and then. So same when was for the website. We had some bug fixing done, and well, we had to clear the accounts because they weren't really working well anymore.
that makes sense. Okay.
Yes. Um, so basically, the Automation Hub website has several sub-projects, which this was the first one. That's actually getting the website launch ready with a working company catalog where people can just get all their companies in and edit them. Uh, then the second sub-project will be the optimizing one, where we will fix every little issue that we have right now with all the bugs and stuff that still occur after major bug fixing, but also updating the news area so this works pretty well. And oh, look, there's a lovely Photoshop of the developer crew. I just had to show it. Oh,
I was
so
wondering when that would happen.
yeah, exactly. I was actually waiting for Daffy to find it out himself, but actually, yeah. So that's right there. And of course, like a page where we can have like a Hall of Fame with uh, see the top rated companies and all that stuff instead of in the catalog just, but also the top rated engines, top rated models, car models that is. So yeah, we're trying to fix all of that, and uh, then
Caswell just
also
looks so scary in that picture. Just saying.
he probably does, yeah, because his neck is like bent a bit weird. Um, yeah. So let's see. So we also have a guides, tips, and tricks area right here. We have 2 guides by Jacko. Thanks for that, Jacko. There's one by Pleb. He's right here with us.
I still
And
need to update mine
yeah, you
because it
still
looks
need to update it. Also mine, there's
looks wrong.
Felgen already made these pop-up headlights, but in case you don't want to mod your game, there's still a way to get pop-up headlights in the game by just using the current fixtures. So check out that creative fixture usage video tutorial that I made. And there are some tips and tricks on what you could do with your engine, what you could do with your car to make it perform better, or what you should do or what you shouldn't do. When you click form, you're going to go back to the forms of automation, uh, because basically that's where all the action also happens. And we have a small support us thing. So if you think we're doing a good job and you want to speed up the process, or you just think we're awesome, then well, go ahead and support. It's not necessary, but we will have to run advertisement on the website. So now and then to just upkeep everything. It's all explained in the support us page here, so you can pretty much read up on it. Also, for when you donate, let me make that clear. You will get extra stuff. So we try to give you something back straight away for when you donate. And yeah, when you donate as a platinum contributor, you will get like an ad-free website because basically we can upkeep the website with the money you donated. So that's pretty good. Um, yeah. So back to the company catalog. Let's see. We now have 5 companies at this point, which is like within the first 20 minutes. It's Conan. Hello, Conan. You're probably watching the stream, I think. So yeah, it's nice to have you on here as well. Let's see, Solstice Motors. That must be
That is microwave. I
that's
recognize.
microwave. Yeah.
Recognize him. And he's also in the stream for the first time. Welcome.
Yeah, if you're
It's
here for
always
the first
nice.
time, don't forget to subscribe to us anyway, and make a
Yeah, we,
chance of.
we kind of through that kind of followers post or push that we always say for the sake of the website. We've been too distracted in showing you everything.
Yeah, exactly. Well, basically, it's for everybody that hasn't followed us yet. Make sure you do, because when you reach 100 followers, we will again do a giveaway. Last time it was Float from Austria winning, and he got this cool automation T-shirt sponsored by the developers of the game. So I just want to say thank you, Daffy, for that again. If you want to see a picture of him actually wearing the T-shirt, he's on our Facebook page, facebook.com/AutomationHub. You can check out there, and while you're at it, make sure you actually like our page, because you will stay up to date with all the latest news about automation and Automation Hub. Um, with that said, this the pretty standard thing for us right now. Yeah, this is cool. I think it's starting to take shape. People are slowly building their companies. I see we have Conan already adding a badge. Um, let's quickly check out his company right now. Conan Coachworks was founded in 1862 by Conan III of Surrey. Conan der, that would be. I actually switched to German for a second. Let's see
Oh, that
here.
was the I think he spent a lot of time yesterday making that badge actually in
He
the
did?
live chat. I remember.
Wow. Well, it looks good. It
Mhm.
gives a decent feeling.
Yeah.
Looks pretty British too. Oh, Romanov Automobili. That must be Simon.
I'm doing it as we speak. Yeah.
He's doing it as we
But
speak.
the Conan, that's awesome. I'm imagining Arnold Schwarzenegger coming. Get to the car. Get inside. Don't ask me.
Get to the chopper. Have you actually seen one of those latest, what's it called again? The Expendables or something? Yeah, that movie. He actually screams this again, so it's funny.
He does.
Um,
That's awesome. Haven't seen it,
let's see.
but
So
that's
we
awesome.
just on the go fixed the rating, and we can see there's three people in the lead right now. There's Conan having 5 stars, Bartran, which is my company, and the Column Auto Group having 5 stars.
Yay.
So now we have some more companies. I can show you this rating. So now let's say we put the least rated up. That would be Global Max Inc. Sorry for that, but yeah, right now it is like that. So make sure you get some rating done on your company, and then it will be all settled. We also have this date.
Make sure you rate companies honestly as well. Don't just get your friends to rate 5 stars on your company because that's just
They need to
you
register
don't do that.
anyway, so yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we cannot really prevent cheating, so you already need to register, and you already can vote once. So right now we cannot prevent that. It's just a bit being honest, but yeah, it's hard to do that without the cheating thing. Um, let's see. So we can also click date updated, and then it will show that Global Max actually is the first to be updated, and Solstice is the second. Lost to be updated, so that's good to see. People are actually busy right now, and if you change something, you should be on top. Date created, we see that Global Max was also the first, and then right after that was Aaron with his Katamata group. And the newest to oldest, we can see that Lizard Cars has actually came in last right now as the newest company. And Sail Noob, I remember the name from Lizard Cars, it should be him. Nice history there, and he's still adding some stuff, of course, because he's a pretty new company right now. So let's see, and then of course we can do it alphabetically. Um, so we can go from C to A or from A to Z, just depending on what you would prefer best. Let's see. We can also look at the search for companies. So when there's 1,000, maybe in like a year time, I don't know. I hope in a month time, but you can just basically, let's say we want to search for auto or something. Anything with auto in the name will get added there. And if I add a space, you see it will only show up the column auto group. And well, let's see, we're gonna go for lizard cars. It's right there. Okay. Let's see, Aaron.
Yes.
I see you. Wait. I see it didn't Yeah, I saw actually it didn't record my vote for you. So that's the whole thing. I was like, why is it not working? But it didn't record it, but now it did. So you're actually on top. You're having a 5-star rating with 2 votes, and that should put you on the top of the leaderboard right now. Basically, it checks how many votes a company has and what the rating is. So if he's having 10 votes with 5 stars and Conan is having 9 votes with 5 stars, it will put Aaron on top. If Conan will have 11 votes with with a 5-star rating, he will be on top. So we try to make this as fair as possible. I also see you added your first car and engine, Aaron.
I did. I just finished my car like 2 seconds ago.
All right. So this gives a decent view on the Cotton Parslow. That's nice. It's a really nice design, and as you can see, we got the thumbs in the bottom here. Aaron is actually having 3 pictures added. So you can now click and then see the front here, and then this is, by the way, I think this is quite iconic for Cotton Auto Group, having the headlights and the blinkers like that. Let's see, so this is the back end, and then of course the overview. And the Cotton Parslow is a luxurious GT car with big power. And there's a nice statistics image, so yes, this looks pretty decent. And as you can see, we can go into Aaron's car showroom, we can get a car total here, we can also use the search bar for the Parslow, which works. And we can also adjust this with some date updated or created old new, created new old rating, etc. So basically you can also check what he's been doing lately, what's the highest rated car, or etc. Oh, someone actually downvoted you, gave you 4 stars or something. You
Oh
now have
no!
you now have three votes with 4.67
Hey,
as a
that's
rating.
fine. 4.67. Someone asked where's the streamer from?
Someone, I wonder who did that.
The Netherlands.
Yeah, the stream is coming from the Netherlands.
The Netherlands. What is that? What is the Netherlands in Dutch? Is it like Nederland or something like that?
Yeah, Nederland, yeah.
Nederland. Okay. I
And
need to
in
get to
French
some
it would be
words.
Pays-Bas, and in German it would be die Niederlande, and I don't know. There's many different. Well, basically the English almost say all of them say like Holland, but
Yeah.
I refuse to say that because Holland is a province inside of the Netherlands, and a lot of people do not want to be called Holland.
Germans do that too, by the way. We are ignorant, so we call you Holland just to piss you off.
Yeah, and then you guys keep digging bunkers in our beaches.
Oh, we do that everywhere. We are fair. I mean,
All right.
Danish get some, so French, etc.
Yeah, it's typical. Yeah, so basically that's the website. You can also choose to create a second company, but you would need to be a platinum contributor. So if you feel like you should make a sub branch for your company, you can do that. Basically, when we go on with the website, we tend to go and make more stuff for the website. Of course, we will add downloads later on, as you can see here. You can go to the engine downloads, models downloads. We will implement this later on, but it will take some time to get this working correctly. First things we're going to focus on is the ranking tables with the Hall of Fame and such, and getting everything bug free. Well, it's mostly bug free already, but there might be some little issues occurring here and there. So feel free, at the top right there it says info@automationhub.net. If you have anything that that occurs, just make sure you tell us exactly every single step that you did, and we try to fix it as soon as possible. Um, If you have any guides, tips, and tricks, feel free to head over to the automation forums. We have a thread right there, and you can go and add a tip or trick for engine or car related there. I will add another button in the bottom here pretty soon, so it takes you to the thread straight away. And if you have a guide, make sure to press the button at the button at the top. Let's quickly check out Simon's company, how far he's got right now.
I haven't done much. I don't want to type while we're speaking, so I'm going to do that later properly.
All right.
I'm busy trying to add another car.
Yeah, my keyboard is so loud. If I was typing right now, nobody would hear a thing anymore. So I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, my computer's already gotten quite loud because, well, I need to keep it cool, so my fan is spinning quite quick. So I don't know if you can hear that in the stream, but I'm sorry if you can.
No, it's not.
Okay, we have someone actually creating a company called Meubelbenz. In the owner is Wubbeli Male. I don't know what that is, but
Sounded
Male
very
is drawing, right? Male or something of painting.
No idea.
Well, I'm asking Simon. He's in Germany.
No, it's slang. It's slang. It doesn't necessarily mean
All right.
painting or something. No, that will be without H.
All right. So, yeah, I think it's pretty much clear for all of you. If you have any questions, make sure you head over to the automation forums. We have our Automation Hub television and Facebook post right there, and the Automation Hub thread right there. And you can find all the information about what we tend to do with the website. Our basically one of our logs, we can see that we started at the 8th of April with keeping a log, which is wow, like 8, 9, 10 months ago, something like that. It took a long time. It just yeah, we just had a lot of stuff going on, getting everything ready, but also in private life with setting up an own company and stuff like that. So yeah, we did this all in our free time, so I hope you guys can respect and appreciate that. We try to just keep everything up and running as far as we can and try to update it as frequent as we can, but we still have girlfriends to keep satisfied. We still have our stomachs to be fed, and well, unfortunately, we cannot do it with a hobby project like this. So we hope you are just as patient with our website as you are with the automation game. But we try to work as hard as fast as we can. But yeah, on this thread you can actually see the progress and leave your ideas, comments, everything. So let's see. We have Simon actually streaming tonight. Is that right, Simon?
That is very much correct.
Yes. And what will you be
We're
doing?
gonna mess with the second part of that weird special that I hear is seen somewhere on the TV or whatever, but nobody really cares about that because tonight we're gonna play multiplayer.
Yes. And I'll definitely be there to thrash you all, obviously.
Oh no, Aaron's gonna be there. I'm gonna lose. Damn it.
Nah, well, just be worried if Leo or Jacko turns up.
Oh dear.
Then you're in for a
But of
beating.
course, I'm always glad to see you guys, so you're all welcome.
Yay.
Yes.
In fact, yeah, we do have a lot of new viewers today, so if you do have the game, come and join us in multiplayer tonight. If you're not busy re-watching the Top Gear special again.
Well, I think there's another Top Gear special, but it's earlier. Part 2
Yeah,
will
there
be
is.
earlier tonight, so that will be just in time. When it's finished, we can actually do the multiplayer stream right after that, right?
Yeah, it's perfect.
All right.
It could not be any better. And of course, let's not forget, we are of course not just going to keep you updated about Automation Hub on the website itself and on the Automation Forum and on Facebook and etc. Of course, we're going to frequently also take a look in the future from the stream what is going on the website. If there's anything new, then Bart is going to update you. If there's something exciting going on, then we're going to definitely let you know via stream as well.
Definitely.
Yes, definitely.
Because we're all connected.
All right. And we see that Mr. Cheeseman has actually just created his company. I've been checking the company catalog for for a minute now, and I see F Genius Automobiles has just joined.
Gosh, we're gonna have like pages and pages of companies by the end of today, I reckon.
I hope. I hope a
Yeah.
lot of people actually just get on here and do their thing, you know? Would be best to have everything nicely ordered instead of 20 million pages on the form and you cannot find your own company anymore. And now you can just type it in the search bar right here or log in and hop to it straight away and update it. So it would be amazing. All right. Well, I guess that's it for now. I want to thank everybody that's been here. Let's see, we have a current viewer count of 12 right now. It's been at 18. Yes, so everybody, thank you for being there, and we really appreciate you guys hopping over here. And yeah, have a good time with the website, AutomationHub.net. If there's anything, hop over to the forums and leave your questions, your feedback, everything. You can all put it in the forums. And if there's anything else you would like to say, just feel free to mail to us at info@automationhub.net. Um, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Simon, for being here.
Thank
Thank
you.
And yeah, don't forget to actually join Simon tonight then with his multiplayer live stream and just go kick some butt in the multiplayer tonight. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
And sniffing the list, that means we're not online anymore, right?